Here is the ARB price prediction. In the last video, we recorded right here. I said we'll dump exactly to here, liquidate the longs, and we will take profit on the way up. We managed to get some nice profit. Obviously, didn't wait until the 200 EMA this time. And now we're waiting for a new trade. I won't waste a second of your time. I'll start right away. There's a lot of things you should know exactly at this point of time, because we have some longs closing, getting wiped out, especially right here below these lows. So we're waiting for a new trade. This will be a no BS trade. So all I want is short closed equals entry. This is for a lot of the trades I just took recently, and I'm opening trades in. So I'll mark this up and I'll make an update video tomorrow so you can see how it went. As soon as shorts are closed, we're gonna enter in heavy. We have a beautiful price action around this area. We have all the weekends wiped out below this low. So I'm very happy with my trade. Here's some of the trades I've done today. These are some of the trades in the signals chat. Here's some profits from my VOOX portfolio, 260 grand from mint coins on a new wallet, 30 grand when we go to the max right here on the exchequer. And obviously on top of that, we have the meme coin trade. So if you want to follow the trades, link in the description down below. If you want to learn from me, link in the description down below. We have the course, made it super cheap. See you next video.